Before Earth even existed, this rock was already traveling through the silent void of deep space. For 4.5 billion years, it drifted alone among the stars, a remnant of a shattered planet. Then 1 million years ago, it plunged through our atmosphere, a blazing visitor from another world entirely. It struck the frozen north of what is now Sweden, scattering its fragments across the ancient tundra. For 1 million years, ice ages came and went, and the meteorite waited silently in the frozen darkness. Today, modern meteorite hunters arrive in the Swedish wilderness, searching for what fell from the heavens.
This should be the zone. Let's start the sweep.
A metal detector screams. It could be iron ore, or it could be something far more extraordinary.
Over here!
Brushing away the snow with careful hands, the hunter reveals a dark stone with an unmistakable surface. Regmaglypts, like thumbprints pressed into clay, proof that this rock tore through Earth's atmosphere. In a nearby field tent, a geologist confirms what the hunter already suspects. This is a genuine meteorite. Every fragment is carefully weighed, photographed, and geotagged. The chain of custody begins right here. Coordinates are 45 degrees north, 82 degrees west. The meteorite is sealed, documented, and prepared for a journey it never expected to make. From a remote airstrip in Lapland, the meteorite leaves behind the ice that held it for 1 million years.
Fly safe, guys! Safe travels!
The plane climbs over the Arctic wilderness, heading toward a very different kind of frontier. Thousands of miles and several time zones later, it approaches a world of glass, steel, and precision. Elite factory manufacturing, where ancient materials, even those from space, become timeless luxury objects. The meteorite arrives by secure transport.
Please hand me the documents.
Every transfer documented. Every signature carefully verified. After 1 million years frozen in ice, the meteorite finally enters its new home.
All right, bring it back, straight back, you're good.
In the climate-controlled bay, the cases are unloaded with the care reserved for priceless museum artifacts.
Easy, bring it back. Lower it down.
Under bright lights, the meteorite is revealed. It has traveled further than any object made by human hands.
X-ray fluorescent spexabe confirms the elemental signature. This is genuine Muonionalusta Meteorite. Iron, nickel, and trace elements that are found nowhere on Earth. The screen flashes green. Now the meteorite faces its first transformation, a diamond wire saw. The only blade hard enough. The technician sets the parameters. 1.5 millimeters thick, the perfect dimension for a watch dial.
The diamond wire bites into ancient metal as coolant floods the cut, keeping the temperature perfectly low.
Slowly, patiently, the wire cuts through metal. It took millions of years to cool in deep space. The disk is free, a perfect circle of cosmic metal. Featureless and gray, but only for now. Cleaned and prepared, the disk reveals nothing yet. But the most dramatic transformation is about to begin. The disk enters an acid bath inside a sealed fume hood. Nitric acid will reveal what the universe created. For long seconds, nothing happens. Then the first faint lines appear, a pattern that can never be replicated. The Widmanstätten pattern. crystals that only form when metal cools at 1 degree per million years. The acid is rinsed away and the disk is neutralized. The cosmic pattern is now permanently etched into the metal. Beautiful. Under the inspection lamp, the pattern is checked. No two meteorite dials will ever be exactly the same.
The disk enters the CNC machining center. The cosmic pattern must be preserved while the dial is shaped.
The cutter trims, bevels, and shapes, all without disturbing the ancient crystalline structure within. A laser cuts the date window, clean, precise, and with absolutely no heat damage to the surrounding crystal. Off the machine, the dial is raw. The beautiful pattern is still obscured by micro-scratches from cutting.
At the hand polishing bench, a craftsperson prepares to bring the meteorite's true beauty to life. With patient, practiced movements, the polisher works diamond paste into the surface, and the pattern begins to gleam. The dial transforms from dull gray into a luminous map of the cosmos, every crystal band reflecting light.
The final polish achieves a mirror finish, a piece of outer space, now ready to measure time on Earth.
The eye already knows. This dial is perfect, unique in the entire universe.
The first details are applied. A pad printer lays down the hour markers with microscopic precision. The minute track is printed, a perfect circle of fine white lines on the dark cosmic background. The brand mark is applied, subtle and respectful, never overpowering the star pattern beneath.
Looks perfect, logging it now.
Applied indices, each one placed by hand under a microscope, with absolute micron-level precision. The dial now enters the clean room,
Hatch secured, thank you.
a dust-free environment where a single speck would be visible. A master watchmaker fits the dial to a Swiss movement. Precision engineering meets cosmic material.
The hands are set and perfectly aligned. They will sweep over a surface older than Earth itself. The movement and dial are cased. Polished steel frames the meteorite like a window into space.
A scratch-proof sapphire crystal is pressed into place. The meteorite is sealed for eternity. A premium leather strap completes the watch. Dark alligator, hand-stitched. The perfect frame for a cosmic dial. A senior inspector examines every detail under magnification. Nothing escapes her trained and critical eye.
A 200-point checklist. Every single category must show green before this watch can leave.
The watch is placed in its presentation box, leather, wood, and velvet, a worthy home for a piece of the cosmos. The lid closes. On the outside, a quiet emblem that brought a star to a wrist. The box is presented. Somewhere in the world, a client opens it and sees the universe looking back.
Enjoy your timepiece. Thank you.
On the wrist, the meteorite dial comes alive. With every movement, the pattern catches light differently.
Under macro, the full complexity is revealed. This is not just a dial, it is a fragment of an ancient asteroid.
Time, measured by a piece of the cosmos that has seen more of it than we can ever comprehend.